Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the gold chart on 3rd of April and see what's gonna happen next. Then I'm gonna show you the positions I made actually 2 days ago and see what happened there. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see, in the past of the market, we did have a support area here where the price started falling and touched an invisible level and started going up. And we draw a support area like this. In the future the price reacts to that level, and when we see some nice candles on it like this one here, this pin bar here, we can risk on it and go for a buy position here and actually put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer here. You have to put it somewhere far away from it that our actually stop loss doesn't get activated by just the actually shadow. Then we can look for risk reward too, which it gives us more than that actually here. In lower time frames like 5-minute time frame right now, if we can go there, if the internet let us, yes. And yeah, you can see we did have this trend line with several touches which was broken here. We had the chance to go for a buy position, put our stop loss somewhere here and look for risk reward too, which it gives us our reward. And right now we have this small trend line with two touches actually. Let me zoom in that you can see better. 2 touches, which is getting broken right now. We can risk on it and go for a buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe here and look for risk reward too. And we have to wait for the price and see if it is gonna give us our reward. Okay, thank you to watching this part. Let's switch to the part which I'm gonna show you the positions I made on actually 31st of I believe it was March. Yeah, okay, let's switch to that part. Welcome back traders. As you can see here, we are on the gold chart, 5-minute time frame, and it is 31st of March, and I'm gonna show you the positions I made on it. But before we start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see, on the first position we did have this trend line with several touches, 1 2 3 4 5 touches. On the 6th time it was broken here. We did have the chance to enter a buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gave us something around risk reward 4. And you can see there was a resistance area here where the price started going up and touched an invisible level and started falling. This is a resistance area. Okay, we draw a resistance line like this. The price reacts to that and it can be our target of this buy position here. Okay, let me clean it that we can see better. On the second position, when we did close our position here, you can see there was a rejection here. Okay, we did have the chance to go for a reverse position, to go sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gave us something around risk reward 4. And you can see we have 2 candles, 2 pin bar candles on somewhere near this support area, but I didn't actually draw that because I didn't take it myself. On the third position we did have this resistance area where the price started going up and touched this level and started falling. Okay, we draw this resistance area, this resistance line. In the future the price reacts to that level. Okay, if we see some nice candles on resistances and supports, we can risk on them and go for positions we want. Like here we can go for a sell position here, enter here, put your stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us something around 5.6 here, which is a fantastic reward. On the trade 4 we did have this trend line which it was like this at the first look with several touches. and when you see that shadow there, you extend it. Okay, you extend the trend line and it is broken here. We have the chance to enter a sell position, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer, and it gives us something around risk reward 3 or RR3. On the trade 5 we did have actually this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. On the 5th time it was broken here. We did have the chance to enter a sell position, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here, and it gives us something around 4. And if we didn't close our position, it was going to give us even more than that the next day. If you can see the separator line that there, it separates, it actually separates each day from the other one. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video and this part. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.